problem 3.11, 3.12. So here, this is the given diagram for both problems. So problem 3.11. So in shaft AB, so the given of that is T AB is equals to 300 Newton meters, and then the diameter is 0.030 meters, and then the radius is 0.015 meters. So we need to solve for the Tmax. So the formula of that is equals to 2T over pi c raised to cube. Then substitute the values, so it will become 56.6 megapascal. So in shaft BC, so TBC is equals to 300 plus 400, so it will become 700 Newton meters. And then we need also to solve for the Tmax of shaft BC. So the same formula, so 2T over pi c raised to cube. Then substitute the values, so the answer of the Tmax of shaft BC is 36.6 megapascal. So in problem 3.12, so this is the same formula, but we need to find the radius. So to find the radius is the formula we need to use is Tmax is equals to 2T over pi c cube. So the biggest stress, which is 56.6 megapascal, equals to 2 times 700 over pi times c cube. Then we need to shift solve that in the calculator. So the answer of the radius is 19.895.10 raised to negative 3 meters. So convert that, so it will become into meters. So into millimeters. So it will become 39.79 times